So as well as buying the new iPhone, today I picked up the Apple Watch Series 4. This is the silver 44mm version. And it comes with the Cellular, I can just about say it. You know, the one you can take outside and leave your iPhone at home. All we're going to do is unbox it and take a look and see what we think. And that's it really. It's just going to be a quick video to go with my other unboxing of the iPhone. So, plain packaging, you can just about make out that it says Apple Watch just there. So what we're going to do is we're just going to open it up and see what's inside, and once again, no need for a knife. Okay, now I do what? Feels too good to okay, I'm just being stupid. Okay, that one flaps like that. This is all very new. Ooh. Okay, fair play, Apple. Fair play. That is a pretty good looking box and packaging. That actually looks really cool. Wow, okay. So we're going to lift this off to reveal. So the watch comes in this little pouch. And I will compare it to the Series 3 in just a moment. And let's see what else is inside the box. We have information, usual stuff. And then we have the charger, the plug, and the strap comes in a separate box, which is quite interesting. It's quite interesting because if you watched my video of the unboxing of the iPhone XS Max, I suggested some accessories could be shipped separately to allow people to get the accessories that they want. So it's interesting to see that they've done this here. So this comes with a, what colour is it? It's white. The white band. It's a bit of a boring colour, so we'll have to invest in some more bands. So there is my new watch band. So this is the white sport band. I got the Series 3 last year and it came with this fog coloured band. I don't know, I kind of like the white band, it's actually quite nice. So here we have the two watches. This is the Series 3, which came out last year, and this is the new Series 4. And in terms of size, the 44mm, even though they've made, I guess, the bezels smaller, or the black space around the edge smaller, so it's got a bigger screen. I don't know if it's a trick of the eye, but the Series 4 does look bigger. The edges look rounder. If we kind of have a look in where the corners are, they do seem to be rounder. Noticeably thinner though. I mean, you can really tell the difference here. The button is sort of flush against the side casing, whereas it protrudes slightly in the old Series 3. Obviously, if you've seen from the keynote and stuff, the back is completely different. It's all ceramic back with the new style sensor on it. So I'm going to get this booted up and let's see what it's like. So the watch is now set up, and I have to say, you really notice the bigger screen size. The first thing I noticed was the passcode. If we compare the sizes of the buttons, it's night and day really, and you know that throughout the user interface of the Apple Watch, things are going to be drastically improved because the areas that you need to touch or to tap on are so much bigger and there's so much more space for it. So let's talk about this watch face. This is a great watch face. It's the one that's filled with complications, and I don't have enough apps on here to actually fill them up with anything useful. There's a couple here that I probably won't use. But I like the fact that it's there. I like the fact that you can display so much information, and it's a really customizable watch face as well. You can do plenty with the colours and the background, and so, you know, it's a really nice watch face to use. There are plenty of other new ones as well, which I will check out. Maybe for a later video I'll have a look at some of those. But yeah, it looks absolutely fantastic. Now, the screen size is a big deal, and the fact that in the latest version of watchOS you can view HTML essentially. So if we go into an email, it'll actually show you an email with all the pictures and information and links and things, and you can click through, and it actually makes email on the Apple Watch significantly more useful. Browsing through photos is fantastic. I mean, the extra screen space lets you see a whole lot more. You know, everything feels larger, so it actually makes storing photos on your Apple Watch a lot more worthwhile. Now, as you scroll through apps, you may have heard from other videos that there is haptic feedback, so it has this kind of clicking motion, and it's quite nice to have actually. You are aware of the fact that the feedback you're getting isn't coming from the scroll wheel, and you can actually feel it sort of further down inside the Apple Watch. So you are aware that it is faked a little bit, but it's still nice to have as confirmation that you're scrolling, I guess. So lots of apps have been updated to make use of the larger screen space. For example, Carrot Weather, which you can see a lot more information on. However, some apps, for example Outlook, still displays the app like it was on a Series 3 or 2, so it feels a little bit more centered and smaller inside the screen. But hopefully the app updates will come pretty soon. So that's all I've got to say right now about the Apple Watch. It's just my first impressions and a look what's inside the box, but I have to say, a huge upgrade over the Series 3. Definitely worth getting. Do check one out in store and see if you like it, but I highly recommend the Series 4. I hope you found that video useful. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll be back soon with another video.